Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, consider the following statements. First, the announcement that the British would quit India by June 1948 was made by Lord Mountbatten on 3rd June 1947. Second, partition of India as the two nation theory was accepted by the Congress nationalist leaders. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can just pause this video and write down your answer in the comment section. So, the correct answer of this question is option D, neither one or two. Because first statement is incorrect, because on 20th February 1947, British Premier Clement Attlee declared that the British would quit India by June 1948. So the announcement that India and Pakistan would be free was made on June 3rd, 1947. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. While about second statement, the Congress nationalist leaders agreed to the partition of India in order to avoid large scale bloodbaths and communal riots, but they did not accept the two nation theory even then. Hence, statement number second is also not correct. So, this was all about question number 1. You should also know what Lord Mountbatten plan was and how partition of India as a two nation theory taken place, and in this way you can read about the events especially that is near 1946 and 47. So these are very important and you should not leave this topic. So here is question number 2. Which of the following were the causes behind the 1857 revolt? First, confiscation of properties of jamindars. Second, exclusion of Indians' higher administrative positions. Third, prevalence of corruption at lower levels of administration. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can mention your answer in the comment section. I am telling you the answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So all these are the causes behind the 1857 revolt, which is known as the First War of Independence. So 1857 revolt is very important. So you should know in which parts of India this 1857 revolt was there and who were the prominent leaders in that time and who said that this is the first war of independence, and what was the steps of British after this 1857 revolt. So this is very landmark revolt and you should not leave this topic. This is extremely important revolt and you should cover this topic from standard sources, and I think UPSC has already asked few questions about this 1857 revolt in previous years. So you should cover this topic very well. So here is question number 3. Consider the following statements with regard to All India Kisan Sabha. First, Its first session was held along with the Faispur session of the Congress. Second, Kisan Manifesto was finalized by the All India Kisan Sabha at the Bombay session. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can just tell your answer. So, the correct answer of this question is option B, two only. So, statement 1 is incorrect while second statement is correct. Statement 1 is not correct because at the Faispur session in Maharashtra, the second session of the All India Kisan Congress or Sabha held along with the Congress session, it was presided over by N.G. Ranga. The first session of AIKS was held in Lucknow in 1936. This session was greeted in person by Jawaharlal Nehru. So, this was all about this question, and you should know what is the role of All India Kisan Sabha, what was the function of this Sabha, and what contribution that this Sabha had made in the history of India. So, likewise, you can cover this topic. So, here is question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Bhagwati Charan Vohra. First, he authorized the book The Philosophy of the Bomb. Second, he participated in the non-cooperation movement. Third, he was associated with the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. So, which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, you can just write down your answer. The correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, all three statements are correct regarding Bhagwati Charan Vohra. So, you should know the prominent leaders that were in modern Indian history. So, this is very favorite topic of UPSC. UPSC has already asked some questions based on this topic, and in upcoming prelims examination, UPSC can again repeat this theme of personalities that were there in modern Indian history. So, this was all about question number 4. So, now here is question number 5. With reference to the weekly paper, The Gadar, consider the following statements. First, it was published from the Yugantar Ashram in San Francisco. Second, its first issue was published in Gurumukhi. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you can tell the answer. The correct answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So, the first issue of Gadar was published in Urdu on 1st November 1913. The Gurumukhi edition was later started on 9th December, hence statement second is not correct while statement first is correct about the Gadar, which was a weekly paper. So, this newspaper theme is also very important. Some newspapers, magazines of modern Indian history, especially after 1900s. So, you should cover this topic from standard sources, standard book. So, in this way, you can cover this topic. So, this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.